Hello everyone. Let's see how to configure M580 dPAC I/O modules and faceplates. Open the System tab and go to Logical Devices. Here, right-click on the device M580 and select Open Hardware Configurator. By clicking on the Add New Master button, you can add the bus X80. Right-click on the bus and select Add to choose the backplane reference. Right-click on the backplane and select Add. Click on the Stay box to keep the pop-up open. Check the Bus Out box to choose your I/O modules. Start with the power supply, then the CPU M580, and finally the I/O modules in the same order that they are physically connected. Here's a little tip. Don't forget to configure the slot number of each module in the rack. Open the Symbolic Links tab. Drag and drop the input variables of your application. Open the Output module and do the same with the output variables. Then you can save the hardware configuration. Now you can find the CAT instances of the hardware modules you just created. Let's create a new canvas. Open the node Canvases. Right-click and select New Item. Enter the name of your canvas and click on Finish. Drag and drop from the CAT instances the backplane X80, the power supply, the CPU M580, and then the input and output modules. As you can see, you can use different graphic symbols. Focus point. You need to add the function block dPAC_full_init inside the resource of your device for a software and hardware initialization. Finally, you can test this new canvas in simulation by opening the Runtime HMI. As you can see, I can force an input and directly observe the outputs in the HMI. I can also have access to other module faceplates and CPU values. That's it. Now you know how to configure M580 dPAC I/O modules and faceplates.